welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jocelyn, and today I'll show you how to make a blueberry streusel muffins. And before we go on, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the notification button for you to be updated with my new videos. So let's start. For the muffins, we have 3.5 cups of flour, 1 cup packed brown sugar, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of lemon zest, half teaspoon of salt, 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder, half cup of vegetable oil, I used canola oil, and a cup of full cream milk. Then for the streusel, I have here half cup of flour, 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, half teaspoon of cinnamon, ground cinnamon, 4 tablespoons of melted butter. And for the tools that we're going to use today, as usual, we have our spatula, an ice cream scoop, a whisk, and our wooden spoon. So we're going to mix in our salt into the flour, the baking powder, and of course our lemon zest. Lemon goes well with blueberries. And of course, the star of the show, the blueberries. I have 1.5 cups of frozen blueberries in the freezer. I'll take it out at the moment that I'm going to mix it into the batter. Then into the bigger bowl, we're going to put in our eggs. Break it up a little. Our oil. And our brown sugar. And lastly, our plain yogurt. If you don't have plain yogurt at hand, you can use also as a substitute sour cream. The same amount also. So we whisk it together until it's well blended. Then into this, we're going to add in the flour alternately with the milk. So we add in 1/3 of the flour, mix it, and then half of the milk, another 1/3 of the flour. I'm just eyeballing it. Muffins of any kind are perfect with coffee, tea, or any beverage that you prefer. And then the last of the milk. then the last of the flour. When making muffins, don't ever overmix the batter. It's okay if we see some bits of flour. Mix it just until the flour mixture is hydrated. Okay, that's it. We're going to portion it out onto the muffin cups. Now we're going to get our blueberries. We're going to save a few to add on the top, and the rest I'm going to sprinkle it with a bit of flour for it not to sink down into the butter. And now we're going to add it to our just mix it gently to avoid bleeding out of the fruit. As you can see some bleed outs already. Okay, that's it. So this is a 2 ounce ice cream scoop. I put in 2 scoops, so it means we put in about 4 ounces of the batter, approximately. My muffins with lots of blueberries. I've been to several coffee shops that offer blueberry muffins, and you can hardly see the blueberries. Only about a couple on top. Okay, we set it aside as we mix in our streusel. So, into the flour, we mixed in our cinnamon and the sugar. Mix it well. And the melted butter. The mixture will be quite clumpy, which what we need. You can also add in chopped walnuts into the streusel, but this is just a simple recipe for a streusel topping. we're going to bake it for about 20 to 22 minutes in a 375 degrees oven.